Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Kurt-Dashing Adventures, and for today's video, this is the part 2 of our Wonder Smarter series. This is just a continuation of our travel tip number 1 from yesterday, wherein we talk about how to get the local currency of your country of destination. So another way para makakuha kayo ng local currency is to go to the money exchange. You can find a lot of money exchange sa mga malls, other locations, especially in Malate, Manila. But for us, ang aming trusted money exchange company is called Kabayan Foreign Exchange. They have different locations pero ang pinakamalapit sa amin is the Robinson's Galleria branch located in the lower ground floor. Sobrang dali lang ng transaction sa kanila. You just have to create your account or your KYC, present your ID, and then you can reserve what currency you need. Their rates are also very competitive kaya naman dito kami nagpapalit whenever we have a planned travel. You can also check and monitor yung kanilang rates sa kanilang Facebook page kasi laging updated doon yung mga foreign exchange rates nila. Usually, kapag hindi available yung currency na kailangan mo, you just have to reserve for 1 day, then next day makukuha mo na siya. So, ang latest transaction namin with them is when we travel going to Taiwan and kailangan namin ng NTD. Ang naging exchange rate niya is 1.9. So, kung i-compare natin siya sa international withdrawal using your GoTyme and Maya card, mas maganda pa din yung exchange rate ng GoTyme at malaki yung matitipid natin doon. You might ask bakit ko pa binanggit yung pagpapalit sa money exchange kung maganda naman pala yung international withdrawal na lang. It's because I highly recommend and mas magiging kampante kayo if you already have the currency or cash on hand pagdating nyo mismo sa country of your destination. There are times kasi na magkakaroon ng mga technical problems ang inyong ATM or the ATM machine itself. So it's good that you already have a backup. So ayun muna guys for our part 2 of Wonder Smarter series. Stay tuned for tomorrow because we will publish the travel tip number 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in TikTok and Facebook, Kurt-Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. See you tomorrow!